Hi everyone. By observing his breath and therapy, realizing the freedom of the mind, a person must fully understand the truth about himself in order to experience bliss in the awareness of peace. For a person, the understanding of himself in the present situation is limited only to the experiential impressions remembered from birth up to this moment. But in reality, only by transcending the sensory perception trapped in the present time, realizing the truth state, and attaining clarity of wisdom, can a person truly understand who he is. Thus, the details about the timeless reality that exists within the framework of temporal confinement, as well as the complete explanation of how human activity operates within the person of time and how it ought to operate, are all presented in the hymn titled Ganapati Tuti. This is very first truth one must realize in order to attain complete fulfillment in human life. Ganam plus Pati plus Tudi. Ganapati Tudi. This pronunciation is in Tamil. Ganam means the time span of human life and the timeline of its dynamic events. Padi means timeless, permanent, perfect state. Tudi means realizing the truth or self realization. A title that contains verses with subtle techniques for self realization, enabling one to transcend the perishable state of human life and abide in the timeless complete state. If you wish to learn more about this, leave a comment. We'll explore it further in the next video. Thank you.